Good morning, good morning. Just woke up and Robert came to call me for breakfast because the parents will be leaving today this morning. So it's Sunday morning. Yeah, it's Sunday morning and let's say Liam slept well today. The only time Liam wake up was in the morning was once because I massaged him last night. Like he didn't sleep on time. By 11 o'clock or 11 something, I massaged him very well. And I guess before he slept us was 12, and that's really helped me to sleep a little bit also. I only fed him once in the night. Is it once? No, twice, sorry. I fed him twice. Because I remember picking him up, dropping him again, and the second time I drop him in my bed. Because sometimes when he's sleeping next to me, then I'm able to sleep too. Because then he's feeling the warmness of my body. So because he didn't drink so much last night, my breast is all full of milk. That's why I want to pump. Good. And breakfast is ongoing. Robert got to come to call me for breakfast this morning. And at that time, Liam was drinking. So I told him when he's done, I'll be down. So that's why I'm down now. But I have to quickly fix some breast milk. Let's go to them. I need my breast milk pack. Picking 2. But I know a lot of milk is going to be out. Let's go and eat with them. What is lost?
Leave her alone.
Why is she looking like that?
Mommy, I am done with eating.
You're done with eating,
Yes.
so where
Go
you are
and sit
going?
down.
Go and sit down. When you are done, you sit down. Go, because everybody's still in the
Mommy,
bed.
Oma say not Metana.
No meckern. No Ma's gesagt, keine meckern.
Alle sind friedlich, hat Oma gemeint.
Ich wollte nicht.
Did you say good morning when I said good morning? Ah, okay.
Wo bist du denn?
Alles gut, Aria? No? Mommy's here and everybody want to make... I have bread here. There's bread here. No, I don't want... This one is not toasted. I want the toasted one.
Das Brot doch gar nicht.
No,
Von deinem Stuhl.
Is it by force?
Ja.
She said no, this one. And I want...
Alles gemacht, was
And I
sie
want
sagt.
this one.
Mami, die Tüte ist kaputt gegangen, dein Kühl.
Guys, look at what Ada is doing to me. I want a toast bread, and she tell me to pick a normal bread. But I do not want a normal bread. And now, she was looking somewhere else. I changed it. She came back. No. Ada, bitte, I want a toast bread.
No.
So.
Ada, da. Toast the bread. Here.
Lass doch mal
Richard.
nicht essen.
Danke, Aria. Danke schon. Ooh, hallelujah. I put it back.
No.
Richard, stop it.
No. What?
Sit
Go to your
properly.
room when you're done with eating.
Somebody have traffic this morning? Voila. Look at that smudge. Unfortunately, it was even dropping all over me. I don't know. I can't get enough breast milk from here. But this one, it's super rushing. Yeah. My left breast is super good. I was trying to wash things to make Heavenly's hair. This is stuff on my hair. But then I switched to this breast, and the next thing, before I know it, it's already pouring out. Oh, you ordered the book for Ashley.
Yeah.
And then he's being naughty. How can you give him a gift when he's under punishment? Can you give somebody that is under punishment a gift? We went to make what's it called? We went to the store yesterday with him, do shopping with him, do everything, eat some ice, just mommy alone time with Ashley, most of it. And then he came home misbehaving, hitting his siblings already, and then he disrespected Opa. You want the book?
Yeah, I want to give it for him.
On top of punishment. I thought it's under
Then
punishment.
he can read.
Then he can read, okay.
You have to tell me what is inside the book.
But it's a gift. So he want to use it as punishment too. He's in his room. So when he have to tell him what is inside the book later, which is he want to keep him busy. So he want to keep Ashley busy, and Ashley have to say what is inside the book later. He asked for Daddy to order the book last week for him. I guess I was on live stream then. Then I said, okay, I agree to Daddy should order a book for him since he wanted football, a soccer book. Hi.
On mute. This I had this one in the tunnel.
He came, they were making grilling yesterday.
Mommy,
As they were making grilling,
Mommy,
Richard came to
this I
report
had
twice.
it by that tunnel. I had it.
Richard came to report him twice to me. And the next thing, Aria make Kaka, I have to go and wash Aria up. In the process of washing Aria up, Liam was crying so hard, and I also have to change Liam's diaper. And then before I could go back outside, it was already a few minutes spent inside taking care of two. Yeah, while Robert was grilling. And then I came and Robert was explaining that Oprah and Ashley already almost had a fight, that he have to even stop Oprah. You know when when you're stopping the kids,
And Opa phone fell down.
and Oprah phone fall down in that process too.
By that.
So bad. And you know when you're trying to stop your kids is not stopping, then you have to tell Oprah.
Opa was so
Opa to
loud.
Oprah was so loud.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
And then Opa touched me.
You guys, Oprah was so loud. I didn't hear it because Liam was crying in my head, in my ear, and then they were all outside. So I don't even know what happened yesterday. Yeah, it was when I got there that Robert started explaining. You know when you're telling your son to stop, he's not stopping. Then you have to tell who to stop. So you have to tell. He told me that he even literally have to stop Oprah. Yeah, you see it. Now it's not the mama now. Yeah, it's grandpa and grandkid. Yeah, so it's like that. Sometimes everybody do fight, you know.
This is hot.
So I got some breast milk,
Oh.
and maybe I'm gonna pump a little from here again. But at the moment, I don't want my eyes to be because I just ate two bread. Let that two bread stay for a while before anything. So let me go and continue what I'm doing with Heavenly's hair. I have to label it. I'm going to label it and put it in
Your
the fridge.
belly is still big.
You people should leave my belly alone.
And then
No, don't on it.
bye.